Hello, welcome to Embedded Journey. This is our first chapter for the hands-on tutorial where we're going to be building an IoT stack from the scratch using STM32 boards. In this case, the B-L475E-IOT01A1. Important to note is that this tutorial is not a polished one, okay? We'll be dealing with online and fresh development, so we can see all the errors that will be happening live, okay, including bugs, TLS frames, and other things. What we'll be seeing is, and seeing in this course is, we will start with TCP sockets, how to create them, and how to get time from the network, as well as HTTP. We will be building, from scratch, an HTTP client, also HTTP server, using sockets. Everything is around sockets, so you will notice that HTTP is just text over TCP. We will have a NetSocket wrapper from STM32. We will be also dealing with certificates and TLS and securing the sockets. We will be having also a lesson covering MQTT on open MQTT and also secure MQTT. At the end, we will be building a client that will connect to AWS. This is the Wi-Fi module that we will be using, the 4362 from Inventec. Deep dive into NetSocket. It's important that you understand what a socket is. Please go to STM website and download all the data sheets around the board, so you will get acquainted with what the board is and the capabilities that the board have. This is a demo from a TCP server using Hercules, okay? So download this tool too. Look for it, download it, Hercules, okay? We'll be using that for testing our TCP client and servers. This is the first step. In this case, we are dealing with a TCP server echoing back what we receive from the client. Get TeraTerm too. TeraTerm is our basic console serial interface that we will be using. You can use any one that you are comfortable with. Go to our GitHub page, Embedded Journey. We have a GitHub page prepared for you. So download all the code that you see there, and all this code will be used along all the way into this tutorial, hands-on tutorial. Also, we will not be teaching how to use STM32 Cube IDE, so we expect that you have it, because we will be using this to code and to prepare all our C code, embedded C code for this training. STM32 Cube IDE and also Cube MX to configure the chip. So look for that from CubeMX. We will generate all the code that will get into the project that we will be having and looking at and coding. Real path I took, including bugs, TLS failures, certificate errors, AWS policies that silently block you from succeeding on the connection. So, most tutorial fails to get you into a real knowledge into what you're doing, because they hide a lot of things that happen in the background. So we will say, why is this working? And why this is actually working. So learn TCP, we will learn HTTP, TLS, MQTT, AWS IoT Core, all the hardware tools that we presented to you. And remember, this is all about socket. Everything starts in the Ethernet and networking communication with a socket on a software level. So you have the Ethernet, then you have the TCP over it, and then in TCP you build a context and a connection between a client and a server based on a socket. So the socket is the solid foundation that we will start, and then we will build up everything based on the socket. So thank you guys. Let's see you in another episode, okay? Where we'll deep dive into what we're dealing with, the board and the ES Wi-Fi module from Inventec. So thank you for STM building that board, and thanks Inventec for the module and the TCP stack embedded into this module. Okay, so thank you, and see you again in the next episode. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy this process. Bye bye from Embedded Journey. This is the Journeyman.